Ta-da! This is my Christmas dinner for 2020.
富岡義勇さん、大丈夫ですか？いただきます。メリークリスマス。Hi guys, it's Miyamon. Hope everyone is enjoying the holiday season and of course staying safe. With only a few weeks left in 2020, Christmas is coming up soon. And I absolutely love Christmas. I want to share a typical Japanese Christmas, how we celebrate, what we do, and eat. With family, we usually have a nice festive dinner with family, and we usually order a Christmas cake. We have to reserve this at least 1 week before Christmas because of the high demand. The typical cake is what we call a shortcake, shortcake. It's a plain white vanilla cake with light frosting and strawberries. Some families like Noel cake, which is what we call a Yule log cake. Another big tradition is ordering Kentucky, KFC. We order a family set to share together. This started in the 70s when KFC Japan started a marketing campaign to promote KFC for Christmas. Japanese people's image of an American Christmas is a turkey dinner, but turkey is very hard to find in Japan, so people turn to chicken. Of course, Santa visits Japan too, so all the little children go to bed anxiously, waiting for Christmas Day. Okay then, let's have a taste.
Ta-da! This is my Christmas dinner for 2020. This is my non-alcoholic champagne, Shanmeri. This is my Christmas shortcake. Isn't the tiny Santa so adorable? I absolutely love having a smoky roast chicken for Christmas. This is a special Hayao Miyazaki chicken. Colonel Sanders KFC chicken box. KFC releases a special winter menu for Christmas. This is an original chicken box which comes with fries, apple pie, and 3 different chicken pieces. KFC also prepares roast chickens during Christmas time, which is perfect to share with the family or friends.
これは私がクリスマスで楽しみにしていることの一つです。これはシャンメリーといって、シャンパンのシャンとメリークリスマスのメリーをつなげて作った言葉です。シャンメリーはアルコールが入ってないモクテルみたいな感じで、子供もお父さんお母さんと一緒にシャンパンを飲んでる気分でディナーを楽しんで食べることができます。これは今流行ってる鬼滅の刃のパッケージです。鬼滅の刃みんな知ってる？私はまだ映画は見てないんだけど、アニメは、映画の前のところまで見たかな。めっちゃ面白い。あ、胡蝶忍だ。富岡義勇さん、大丈夫ですか？じゃあ開けますよ。3、2、1。おー、イエーイ、乾杯。メリークリスマス。これなんか甘すぎないマスカットの味、最高。じゃあケンタッキーを食べます。ケンタッキーはね、11種類のハーブとスパイスがミックスされて、このオリジナルチキンの味になってるんだって。いただきます。美味しい。最高。 これを食べるとクリスマスだなって気分になります。じゃあ次はショートケーキを食べます。クリームがね、本当に美味しい。日本のケーキはクリームがあんまり甘くなくて、大人でもすごい食べやすいケーキになってます。Young Japanese people celebrate Christmas with their boyfriend or girlfriend. With all the holiday happiness, lights and fun, you can imagine it's the perfect setting for first love. There is a bit of rush before Christmas season among young people look to find significant someone so that they don't have to spend Christmas alone. When celebrating with a boyfriend or girlfriend, Christmas is celebrated on Christmas Eve. Typical dates include going to see Christmas illuminations or celebrating with a fancy course dinner at a restaurant. But I'm not sure there will be many people this year due to COVID-19. I'm sure it'll be a real bummer for all the first-time couples.
This is the illumination near my home in downtown Toyota City. I wonder what this is supposed to be. Maybe it's the Olympics?
With friends, we celebrate by holding a Christmas party or what we call Kripa. Christmas party, Kripa. We do present giving like Secret Santa, play board game, or bingo. It might sound really cheesy, but it's a lot of fun enjoying it with friends, and some drinks always helps. Sometimes we'll dress up in Christmas costumes and take purikura at photo booths.
Now I want to share some stats from a Line research survey. It analyzes how people spend their Christmas compared to the previous year. 52% of people said they were going to spend Christmas with their family, which is a 5-point increase from last year. And 32% of people said they will spend with their spouse or lover, which is a 3-point increase from 2019. Due to COVID, it looks like the number of people willing to spend Christmas with friends has declined 4 points. Also, the number of work-related Christmas parties has dropped a lot due to COVID safety guidelines. It looks like that most Japanese people are looking forward to celebrating Christmas, but they are going to do so safely with their families instead of going to see illuminations or enjoying a nice dinner out. When looking by generation, everyone listed the number one thing to do as spending Christmas with family. Having a home party ranked in at number 2 or 3. Interesting enough, for teenagers, studying for tests ranked in as number 3, and people in their 20s listed work/part-time job as number 2. Lastly, for anyone that has a chance to visit Japan during Christmas, you might find it less festive than in Western countries. This is probably because it's not celebrated as a full season here. And since it's technically not an official holiday in Japan, so most businesses are still open and Japanese people are working on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. But we like to enjoy the holiday feeling too, which is why the night of the 24th and 25th, it is super packed with people picking up Christmas cakes and KFC for their families and loved ones.
Okay, so that's the end of my Christmas special in Japan. I hope you enjoyed learning about different ways we celebrate Christmas in Japan. And I'd love to hear how you guys spend a Christmas day. I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! じゃあ、またねー。バイバーイ。So, 皆さん、that's my video for today. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up or いいね down below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more Japanese fun. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me on the comment section. じゃあ、またね See you next time!